Hey everyone, I'm going to go over the problems on Wednesday's group quiz. So with this one, we recognize first that we have a product. We have this times that. So we know that if we have a product of two functions, the derivative is going to be derivative of the first times the second one plus derivative of the second times the first. This is our product rule. We also remember the chain rule, which says if you have some function where the input is anything other than just x, I'll exaggerate that with a big Z. This is anything other than just x. So things like that, right? Anything other than just x. The derivative here, the derivative of this is the derivative of the outside function with the insides maintained times the derivative of the inside. So we're going to use those two down here. All right. So my derivative is going to be using the product rule. So I will put a skeleton here for the product rule and then just fill in the blanks. So here I'll put the derivative of the first, here I'll put the second, derivative of the second, and the first. So we'll call this one, we will call this one F, and this one G. So F goes here, G goes here. G prime is going to be cosine. I forgot the 5x. Excuse me, folks. Sine of 5x. Okay, so here we have sine of 5x. So what some people do is they'll make a little, kind of a separate little thing for themselves. So we have f of x is e to the negative 4x. That means f prime, and we can write it right there. G of x equals sine of 5x. So g prime, using the chain rule, is going to be cosine of 5x times the derivative of the inside, which is 5. Similarly, f prime is going to be, all right, the derivative of the outside. We learned that the derivative of the exponential function is itself. Now we need to multiply it by the derivative of the inner function. Now we notice that this factor is common to both terms, and that will always be the case when you have a product rule derivative with an exponential. And so we can factor that out. Cosine 5x. And this is our final answer here.